Good morning, Joy. I am Friday, your personal home AI assistant. I am here to assist you. Please tell me, how can I help you?
Turn on the light.
Okay, sir, I'm working on it. Turning on the light. Turned on the light successfully.
Turn off the light.
Just a second, sir. Turning off the light. Turned off the light successfully.
Turn on the charger.
Okay, sir, I'm working on it. Turning on the charger. Turned on the charger successfully.
What is the time?
Sir, the time is 10:37 am.
What is the date?
Sir, the date is 03 February 2025.
Tell me a joke.
If doctors were like software engineers, they would say things like, have you tried killing yourself and being reborn?
Tell me the top 10 headlines. Tell me the top 10 news.
Sir, are you want to know your region news or all over the world?
All over the world.
Which types of news you want to listen now? Business, entertainment, general, health, science, sports, or technology?
Technology.
Wait, sir, finding the latest news for you. Today's first news is you can 3D print this awesome miniature home lab for Raspberry Pis. Today's second news is the Switch 2 could bring back the DS in a big way. Today's third news is Windows 11 hits a new market share milestone as Windows 10's death looms. Today's fourth news is Indigaria launches natural botanical cleanser suitable for all skin types and concerns. Today's fifth news is Grand Psycho Evolution 9 Mount Iwart Ice Blue SLGH027. Sir, is it okay or you want to know more?
No, it's okay. Turn on all.
Okay, sir, I'm working on it. Turning on all of your gadgets. Turned on all successfully.
Turn off all.
Just a second, sir. Turning off all of your appliances. Turned off all successfully.
Play Blue Eyes on YouTube. Play a song on YouTube.
Sir, which song should I search in YouTube?
Blue Eyes, Honey Sing.
Searching for Blue Ice in YouTube.
মাত্র 7 মিনিটে সিরাম রোদের শ্যামলা ভাব থেকে বাঁচায় আর বাড়ায় জেল্লা গ্লো এন্ড লাভলি।
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thanks for using me. Have a good day, sir. Good morning, Joy. I am Friday, your personal home AI assistant. I am here to assist you. Please tell me how can I help you? Thanks for using me. Have a good day, sir.